Hey there! Welcome to our DevOps journey, where we'll break down all the complex stuff into simple and fun topics. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your skills, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the world of DevOps together. So, DevOps is a set of practices, tools, and a cultural philosophy that automates and integrates the processes between software development and teams. It emphasizes collaboration, communication, and automation to improve the speed and quality of software delivery. The term DevOps emerged around 2009, coined by Patrick Dubois, who organized the first DevOps Days event. However, its roots go back further, stemming from the Agile software development movement of the early 2000s. As Agile methods gained popularity, organizations realized the need for better collaboration between development, dev, and operations, ops, teams to deliver software faster and more reliably. How did DevOps come about? The evolution of DevOps. From waterfall to Agile to DevOps. So, waterfall model. Traditional software development followed the waterfall model, a linear and sequential approach where each phase must be completed before moving to the next. This model often led to long development cycles, delayed feedback, and a disconnect between development and operations teams. Alright, Rome wasn't built in a day, as they say. Let's keep moving forward and dive into Agile. The Agile movement emerged as a response to the limitations of the waterfall model, promoting iterative development, customer collaboration, and responsiveness to change. Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban helped teams deliver small, incremental updates to software, but there was still a gap between development and operations. The birth of DevOps. DevOps was born out of the need to bridge this gap, combining the principles of Agile development with operational best practices. DevOps aims to create a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility, where development and operations teams work together throughout the software development lifecycle. Let's take a look at the key milestones in the evolution of DevOps. That wraps up the first part. See you in the next video. All the best. From your cat Theo.